All right, let's solve this question together. Okay, so we have the left hand side as okay, we have 5. Okay, we have square root 5 under that. Okay, and under that, so we have 5 with 5, then with 5. Okay, equals 1 to 5 raised to x. So how do you solve for x? Okay, so first thing to do here, to remove square root, we use squares. Okay, if we square both sides, the root sign here will vanish. So let's go ahead and square both sides. So if I do that, so let's square both sides. Okay, so this one will vanish. I will have it 5 times that. So let's deal with the powers. So we have 125 times 2x. Okay, now since we have in terms of 5 here, let's change this one so that it won't be complicated. So my next step, I'll change the 125. So 125 is the same as 5 to the power 3 times 2x here. Okay, so I have 5 times that times that. So we have 5 to the power 6x. As simple as that. Now let's get rid of this 5. So let's divide both sides by 5. So I divide both sides by 5. So this one will cancel. So I will have it 5 times 5. Now let's adjust this. So in case we're given 1 on A, the same as A to the power -1. So we can say 5 to the power 6x times 5 to the power -1. As simple as that. Okay, so let's go ahead. 5. So let's add the power since the bases are equal. So we have 5 to the power 6x plus -1. So it will be -1. Okay, now let's square both sides again. We want to get rid of this. Okay, so let's square both sides. Now this one will cancel 5. So this one will be there. Now let's deal with the powers on the right hand side. So we have 2 times 6 is 12. 12x times -1 is that. Now let's divide both sides by 5 again. Very simple. So this one will cancel. Have this. So we have 5 to the power 12x minus 2 times 5 to the power -1. Okay, so let's deal with the power since the bases are equal. All right. Now, before we proceed, please, if you haven't subscribed, just do so in order to help grow the channel. All right. So thanks for understanding. All right. So let's continue. So we have square root 5. So let's add 5, 12x. So -2 plus -1 will be -3. Okay. So look at this. So we have so many ways. You can choose to square both sides again or raise the left hand side to the power half and equate the powers. You get the same thing. So let's write the left hand side as 5 to the power half. Okay. Then maintain our right hand side. So the bases are equal. Let's equate the powers. So we have 12x minus 3. So we can make this side a 1. 1 times 1, 1. So we have 2 times 12x minus 3. So we have 1 equals to 24x minus 6. So add 6 to both sides. Okay. So we have 7 equals to 24x. Okay. So let's divide both sides by 24. Therefore, x is straight away 7 on 24. As simple as that. Okay.